Welcome to Learning with UNP. In the session of Business Intelligence with Power BI, we will go through the course overview. It includes an understanding of the introduction to Power BI, course objectives, course structure, and finally, who should take this course. Let's begin by understanding the introduction to Power BI. Power BI is a tool for creating interactive reports and dashboards from the data. It is a collection of software services, apps, and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated sources of data into coherent, visually immersive, and interactive insights. Whether your data comes from an Excel spreadsheet or a collection of cloud based data, Power BI enables you to bring together data from various sources. It allows you to visualize and discover what's important and share your findings with anyone you choose, ensuring that your data driven decisions are well informed and collaborative. Now, let's explore the power of Power BI. Power BI offers several key advantages. It allows you to create reports effortlessly using drag and drop features. It connects to live data sources to ensure your information is always up to date. It allows the users to explore data through clickable visuals and filters to gain deeper insights. And it works well with various data sources and integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products. Now, let's move on to the course objectives. By the end of this course, you will learn how to effectively use Power BI Desktop and the query editor to manage and manipulate data. Master the skills needed to connect to various data sources and transform raw data into a structured format. Build comprehensive data models and establish relationships between different datasets for deeper analysis. Utilize DAX functions to perform complex calculations and derive insights from your data. And also create and optimize visualizations that are not only informative but also optimized for performance. Now, let's explore how our course is structured. We have designed it to gradually build your expertise, starting with basics and moving to advanced topics. The course is organized into the following key sections. Getting data. We will begin by exploring how to connect to different data sources and bring data into Power BI. Data transformation. We'll dive into transforming and cleaning your data to make it ready for analysis. Data modeling. We will cover how to create robust data models and set up relationships between tables. DAX functions. We will learn about DAX, data analysis expressions, the powerful formula language in Power BI to perform data analysis. Data visualization. We will focus on building various types of visualizations to effectively communicate your insights. Performance optimization. Finally, we will discuss how to optimize your reports and dashboards for better performance. Now, the question is, who should take this course? This course is ideal for business analysts who want to leverage data for better decision making, data analysts looking to enhance their reporting and analysis skills, data visualization enthusiasts who are passionate about turning data into compelling visual stories. The prerequisites are basic Excel knowledge. A fundamental understanding of Excel will help you to grasp the concepts more easily. No prior experience with Power BI is required. This course is designed for beginners, so you don't need any previous experience with Power BI. This is all about today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.